This is a drawing from AutoSketch, an old 2D CAD program from Autodesk. It is discontinued. You can sometimes import these into AutoCAD or use a legacy viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try to open it. We're tackling this SKD file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. For recovery purposes, remember the SKD file is stored under the 3D CAD file designation. It is primarily recognized as the AutoSketch drawing format type. An SKD file is a drawing created by Autodesk AutoSketch, a 2D CAD program used for creating technical drawings and designs. It contains vector-based graphics, including lines, shapes, and text, arranged in a two-dimensional space. SKD files store information about the drawing's geometry, layers, and other design elements. SKD files are structured using a proprietary binary format specific to Autodesk AutoSketch. The file format stores vector graphics data, layer information, object properties, color, line weight, etc., and text elements. The internal structure is optimized for efficient storage and retrieval of drawing data within the AutoSketch environment. Chumbleumsoft Milkshape 3D from Chumbleumsoft offers a certified solution for the SKD file type. The simple text-based structure is handled poorly by standard Windows applications. Windows can't display engineering-grade details, so serious inspection must occur in CAD software. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your SKD file and choose Open With. Test Chumbleumsoft Milkshape 3D if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If your SKD file still refuses to open, stay calm. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, install Autodesk AutoSketch. Download and install Autodesk AutoSketch, the native software used to create and open these 2D CAD drawings. Next, open via File menu. Launch AutoSketch, click File, Open, and navigate to your SKD file to load the vector graphics. Finally, export to universal format. If you cannot access AutoSketch, use a CAD converter to change the .skd file into a DWG or DXF file for use in other programs. When all basic programs fail, the job now demands a tool capable of obscure formats. The Universal File Viewer platform is the professional approach to try for SKD files. For speed and reliability, FileMagick excels. Its ability to ignore file extension errors and instantly show you the SKD content is a massive time saver. Visit FileMagick.com to download now. Don't be a stranger, come back for the next one. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community.